How to disable music on Body AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're wondering how to turn off the music in the Body AI application, then here's how you do it. First of all, open the Body AI app on your device, and once you're inside this home screen, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear icon. Now go ahead and enter your birth year, and on the next page that appears on the screen, scroll down and under gameplay setting, go ahead and turn off the music option. Once you have this music turned off, you will not hear any music playing in the background while operating the app. So that is how you can easily turn off the music setting in the Body AI application. You can also try lowering your device's volume setting, and you can also turn it off like that. So that's how you easily turn off the music option in Body AI application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.